man. Oh man. Yeah, but oh man, it's that X pipe. Delete today, baby. Resonator delete. Let's get this in here. So we've done a resonator delete before, but all the cars, the last car I did a resonator delete, the exhaust, well, the axle back wasn't stock. This will be the first install that's on a car that has factory exhaust. This is probably the best factory exhaust I've ever had. The active exhaust is pretty good. It just needs a little bit, just a little bit more when you're driving. That's what we're going for today. Factory exhaust clip. I said not too bad. I'll do a quick second gear hit so y'all can know what the exhaust sounds like factory. Not all that eventful. Sounds a little choked up. You know, but let's try to fix that today. All right, so we are on our way to the exhaust shop now. Like I said, do this resonator delete, get you some comparisons. Gonna be for any GT that has active exhaust from the factory. I think that's all the way from 15 to 22. Looking at getting a little more sound. This should help, hopefully. Hopefully it should help, but we'll see when we get there. Oh, that was quick. Shout out to Low Cost Exhaust. I'm ready. Different. Yeah, in the morning it's gonna be a lot better. You give it a little. It's a lot better. Oh yeah. Ignore the dirt. All right, resonator delete is done. Of course, we're gonna get better exhaust clips, but ooh, I can already tell. And of course, we gotta blast it out of the lot, like the only proper way to do it. So let's see what we got here. Not too bad. Now you could definitely tell there's a little more sound there. You could definitely tell. I hope y'all didn't get too much wind noise. Let me see what it sounds like without it. Ah, see, that's what I like right there. I like that. Let's go to a lower gear. I'm gonna go ahead and get off this road so we can get a better look. Let's see what quiet mode sounds like when you on the throttle. Just a little bit. Put in quiet. Oh, you can barely hear it still. I can't do it too crazy, but I'm gonna give y'all a quick hit. I'm not in track mode. You gotta always have it in track. I don't have anybody with me to give y'all good clips. Semi full star, I guess. Almost forgot to close the video out. I will be putting all this stuff up for sale soon. I know this was months back, but I will be putting all the stuff. I will be putting all the stuff for the 2012 up for sale. Video was informative. I hope it helped you guys out so you can see the different exhaust clips and see how it was from stock to now with a resonator delete. We're going to keep modifying this car. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Browse the channel for more, and most importantly, have a nice day.